children, as we learned about reproduction in the plants in the previous topic, in the same way, today we are going to learn about germination and parts of seed. We find that some fruits have many seeds and some have only one seed. Have you ever observed a seed carefully? You observe the growth of a baby plant from a seed. So, let us start with the germination. Germination is when seeds start to grow. Means when seeds get enough water, air and warmth, they grow into new plants. The growth of a baby plant or a seedling from a seed is called germination of seed. Now we will take parts of seed. Seed coat. Seed coat, external covering of a seed. It protects the seed inside. When we remove the seed coat, we get seed leaves. They store food for the baby plant inside. Now next is sca. Sca is the spot where the seed is attached to the plant. And baby plant is found inside the seed and develop into new plant. Now depending on the number of seed leaves, seed are of two types. Number first is monocot and next one is dicot. The seed has single cotyledons is called monocotyledonous seed. For example, wheat, maize, etc. And the seed having two cotyledons is known as dicotyledonous seed. For example, bean, pea, mango and gram, etc. Now students, we will take a next topic, that is dispersal of seeds. The process of spreading seeds to different places is called dispersal of seed. And this dispersal of seed takes place by the following agents. First we discuss about wind. Seeds which are dispersed by wind have wings and are very light. These seeds, so they are easily carried by the wind. Madar, hyptes, cotton seeds, these are dispersed by wind. Some of the fruits explode on drying. The force of explosion disperses their seeds. Pea, poppy, honesty seed, these are dispersed by explosion. Now children, you know some seeds are dispersed by water. For example, coconut and lotus. The coconut has a fibrous outer coat, hence it is easily carried away by water. Now children, you know when you eat certain fruits and throw away their seed, it also become a new plant. Some seed have hooks or spines that stick to the body of an animal. They carry away and fall in another place where their seed grows roots. So this was all about seed dispersal and agents of seed dispersal. Now children, agriculture means the practice of growing crops on a large scale for food or another purpose is termed as agriculture. When same kind of plants grown at a particular region at a particular time are known as crops. Crops can be vegetables or cereals or pulses or beverages, etc. Now students, do you know how to get a high yield from crops? First number is prepare the soil properly. Use healthy and ripe seeds. Add manure means fertilizers like sulfur, urea and irrigate the soil well. You know the crops get damaged if proper care is not taken, so we need to protect our crops against insects. To use insecticides, store grains in waterproof and airtight container. So students, this was your complete lesson. Hopefully you will be able to give answer to the questions. Thank you.